Alright, guys, in the last few months, these shadows have obtained millions of views. I just uploading kids' moral videos. You can see on these shadows. These shadows were just created literally few months ago and have already generated 3 million views. And also, and they are pulling in anywhere between $300 to $5,000 every single month from these short viral kids moral video. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can create exactly the same style of videos that went viral on these status using Video Express. And I just want to warn you guys, okay? I know you've probably seen a lot of videos that talks about creating kids videos, creating faceless YouTube videos, but they just talk about basic stuff. But in this video, I'll be literally showing you the step-by-step approach of creating these viral kids animation videos from just a single prompt using Video Express. I'll be giving you all the prompts to generate the script. I'll be giving you all the image generation strategies. I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how to get started instantly and succeed faster with your channel, right? All right, so first, to get these kind of videos, the reason you're using Video Express is this is the only tool out there in the market that does the script to audio, that does the image to video, and that creates videos for you. There is no other software out in the market that does it for a one-time price. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because this is going to be the live streaming video that you have ever watched. All right, without further ado, let's get started. All right, so I'm not going to be telling you go to ChatGPT and get some ideas. That is BS. Instead, we're using a free tool for Mistral. I did all the hard work for you, so you don't have to. What I meant by that, I have already trained this model, this chatbot, to basically give you unique views of scripts and videos. And all you have to do is click the link in the description box, get to this chat, and all you have to do is just say it. Basically, give me one more uni Swift. That's it. That's it. It's gonna give you the script like this. That is perfect because I've did all the hard work for you, and all you have to do is copy and paste it, right? Like this. It's gonna give you the image prompts basically to get the visuals for every script so that it is engaging, and it's so wonderful. Like, all right, perfect. Now what you have to do, you have to come over to Video Express, and what you have to do, you have to click on Create with AI. Then what you have to do, you have to click on Create from Front. You have to make sure you do this one thing right, because we are basically creating short videos, basically vertical videos. So you need to make sure that the dimension that you select is vertical, right? So I'm just gonna go about, and let's see what script we're going to use. All right, so we are going to use this script. All right, cool. So this is the story of Alex, a 9-year-old who loves painting, who, all the scripts. All you have to do is, this is the script for you, but we have the prompts for you to generate the visuals for each script, right? You don't have to write any prompt. You don't have to do all the thinking. This thing that trained it for you will do it for you. All you have to do, again, I'm sure you again, all you have to do is give me one more unique script idea. That's it, guys. That's it. Literally, it will give you the entire script for absolutely free with the prompt. All right, let's try this one. All right, cool, awesome. In a small village, a young girl named Hara lives through dance. One day, she finds an old music box in her grandmother's attic. All right, prove it. This is the script for us. All right, guys. Now let's start creating the visuals. So all you gotta do is you're gonna come here, then copy this, go to Video Express, paste it from the start. Copy this, guys. image style 3D style 3D say the image. Well, while you're generating your image, all you have to do is copy the non-prompt for you. And let's see how many prompts you have. We have almost 50 prompts, and that will finish up for your video. So while it's rating, it takes another few seconds. As you can see, a girl dancing in the room. It's perfect, right? The same kind of video that we are seeing in the example challenge that went wild, right? All right, so all I'm gonna do, create the video. Now, what it is doing behind the scenes is basically animating the video for you behind the scenes while you keep on generating newer and newer scenes, all right? So, what's the second prompt? The girl's holding an old box. I'm gonna copy that, come here, paste it, generate an image. Perfect. While your first scene is getting animated, we're gonna get your second scene and the third scene, and all I have to do is just work 10 minutes a day, and you literally just 10 minutes a day, you will have your wild kids animation video that is ready to go wild. I prove it. This is nice. We're gonna end the video, and then what we're gonna do, we need to generate that. The creating vibing up the music box, generate the image. I want to do the same thing again and again and again to basically to complete all the video. Right? Cool. This is nice. It looks pretty good, guys. Create the video. These are so for 3 visuals you have to here. I'm gonna do the 4th visual, generate an image. And now I'm gonna show you with the 5th visual. That's how easy it is. Just copy, paste, and you got everything ready. You don't need to think about it. This is so good, guys, isn't it? I'm gonna create a video, right? And the beauty is, here's the thing, right? If I don't like these images, guys, I can create another image. You see? I don't have to worry about running out of credits. I don't have to worry about paying anyone's receipt, and I don't have to worry about, if I delete it again, my credits will run away, because this is the only tool in the market that lets you create unlimited videos for a one-time pause for life. It's pretty cool, guys, right? So far, we have 5 scenes. I'll listen to one another scene for you guys, okay? So, we're going to one another scene for you guys. Let's see. Now, you're going to do this. And let's see it does. It just takes few seconds to generate these images. And you're all right. Perfect. If, let's see, I don't like this in it, for example, right? I can regenerate it without having to worry about hitting any letters, sorry, no credits, and I had a bit sudden. That is why I love this. This is nice. I don't feel the video. Good. Now, you see? You just have to create video. Now, in the meantime, what it did, guys, this is very beautiful. This is very powerful. It generated all these videos, okay? All these videos for you, right? Oh yeah, one other thing, guys. Please make sure that your canvas is also in the vertical format, okay? Because if you do it in landscape, it will render your video in a horizontal format instead of the vertical format. Make sure it's vertical. And all I have to do is your videos, they'll basically appear in the media library and inside my AI videos. And you can literally, we got almost all these videos, right? You literally can drag and drop. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1 second. We got this videos in your 3rd video. And then the 4th video. Like the 4th video. All I just need to do is like 5 more time, but I'm already ready. That did so fast. Check this out. Now the thing is, there's no audio in there. So let me show you why. This is another thing why I love this, right? I don't have to go to any other other tool out there and get the voiceover from there and put here. No, guys. Hackinson doing it right from here, right? Let me show you. So let's take the script for this guy. I'm just gonna copy it. I'm just gonna copy it. All right. Again, all I have to do is I have to go to the import media. Click on text to speech, okay? And then paste your prompt here, guys, all right? To paste your prompt, you can feed loud length videos, right? And then, they already have their own, natural language text-to-speech software. They already have it enabled, so you don't have to go to any other tool. And you can just get their narration for the videos. I like the Tony generally. This is and they had like dozens and dozens of multilingual basically actors and speeches basically, right? Which is so cool, guys, so cool, right? And like Blessed it is, I can just multiple male, female. I can do the notion, excited, cheerful. All right, so once you like this, you're just gonna hit Bimbo speech, and hit Bimbo speech. Yes, with a few settings.
Village, a young girl named Clara loves to dance.
Wonderful, guys. I love this. I love this. It's really, really cool. Awesome. Now all you have to do, you have to go to my audio library and audio, and you'll find your script there. All right. And you're gonna find your script. You just inside a job, and boom, guys, boom. What about?
In a small village, a young girl named Clara loves to dance. One day, she finds an old music box in her grandmother's attic. As she winds it up, the music box starts playing a magical melody, and Clara...
It's so powerful, guys. It would take hours and hours to get these videos generated, put them all together, to make audio, think about the script and all that. Here, literally in the last 10 minutes, they're free to the firewalls. Well, all the videos that you have that you put on rendering, put on animation, these are all will get generated, and you can just slide this, put them all here, and once you're done and ready with it, guys, once you're done and ready with it, you can just simply export it, all right? And then export the video, and basically, so it's going to leave video. Make sure you do the format, what format you want, the quality, resolution, and just hit quit. It will take few seconds, basically, to render these videos, and we download them under kind of here, right? You can come here and you can download your videos. That's it. That's all you need to do, because the script writing is done from the pot. You don't have to think about. You don't have to be creative. All you have to do is copy paste this. All right. Again, how did you make the script? If I have to sum it up. Okay. Step number 1, generate one skip. This will enable you unlimited scripts with the MIF prompt or absolutely free. All right. Cool. And I trained these of this model to basically always give you the videos that has the potential to go wild, just like these has. All right, guys. Now, this is pretty cool. And then literally, see, in just 1 minute, we got the script. And then I can go over to Video Express and get started with your creativity. It's as you're seeing. Yeah, it's how easy it is to create monetizable while faceless kids animation video. So if you have Video Express, start building, start exploring, and stop waiting viral figures. If you don't have them, no worries. They can get instant access Video Express from the link in their description box below. And here is the secret. This is a surprise. If you get in today, you not just get Video Express instant access for a lifetime, you'll also get some surprise bonuses only for the viewers of this video. No one. You will get the searchable database of unbuilt vital AI niches other than kids animation. So if you want to explore other niches, that has all the videos that you can search. If you're interested in creating, let's say, other videos than kids animation, you can literally search and find the already existing viral AI niches, so you don't have to do the hard work. You don't have to worry about watching worlds, and you don't have to waste time in figuring out what works, because you already have something to get inspiration from. Number 1. Number 2, you're also going to get a consistent character training, whether sometimes a lot of people want how to generate consistency in the characters. Well, you will get the specific trail tutorial, step-by-step course on that. And another thing that you're gonna get the access to divide real-life case studies of people who have used Video Express and already got millions of views from their radios.
Check if the lifetime deal is still available. Go to the website mentioned in the description. And if you decide to get in, you will also get my exclusive bonuses for absolutely free: consistent character prompt templates, faceless YouTube automation course, untapped AI niches list, and real-life successful YouTube channels, case study. Simply email to support@videoexpress.ai, mention bonus from Aria in the subject line, and they will give you instant access to the bonuses. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you don't want to miss any future videos, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.